Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we're going to talk about how you can add or remove card on Temu app. At first, you need to click on this use section, and then from here you have to click on settings, and then you have to click on your payment methods. After this, you can see this option called add a credit or debit card. Click on it, add your card details, and then click on add your card. Once you've added your card, it will show like this. The card is added here. Now that you have successfully added your card, we'll see how to remove it. So click on the edit option, and then you have to click on delete this card, and then it will ask for if you want to remove this card, and then click on remove, and it's done. So thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please do not forget to share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.